The news that flashed up yesterday of the Pope's likely visit to India in the coming year is a great excitement to all communities. It is not an excitement only to every individual Catholic, but to all denominations of the Christian community, as he has been known to be in the forefront ever since he was elected the Pope to bring all denominations together. He has also stretched himself out to engage in dialogue with universal leaders of other faiths. Let us hope and pray that he landing in India and his prayers and his fervent desire of peace will mellow down or put a stop to the hatred that is being spread throughout India today. I say this because he is universally known as the pillar of peace, and I am sure he will come with this in his heart to see that all this that is happening, violence in the name of religion, will come to an end. The news of the Pope's visit to India brings to my mind the cherished memories of the visit of Saint John Paul II, particularly the Pontiff's Mass at Kampal. It would be appropriate to remember the huge cross that was erected at the venue of the Mass, which was donated by then late Erasmo Siqueira and family. And let me say, many Goans belonging to different faiths helped and supported in various ways that visit of Saint John Paul II. The Pope's itinerary should rightfully include Goa, apart from people demanding it, as I believe Goa is the only state in the country that has a population of 27% Catholics and Christians of other denomination. And therefore, the Pope's visit to Goa should be considered by every Goan and get prepared, not only mentally but spiritually, to accept this Pope, that his prayers transform into peace for the entire country. Thank you.